Hi everyone, happy WordPress Wednesday. I want to walk you through today a little problem that one of our friends here in town is having with their website. They found out that, WordPress released 4.1, they wanted to do some updates, so they went in and went ahead and updated their core. One specific drastic thing happened now. Even though the front side of the website looks great, now their menus are frozen though. They're not able, normally you can come in here, shrink down just a little bit, normally you can come in here and kind of drag one of these and drop it somewhere, right? But I mean, immediately you see the errors start to happen. The drag and drop function is broken completely. So there's a couple things you can do really quickly just to do some quick troubleshooting, right? So we know right away, all right, we've updated our core, there's a conflict. Now, is that conflict in a plugin that you're using? Maybe you're using Uber menu or some sort of other menu, trying to make a really complex menu, and that plugin hasn't been updated either. So you'd want to go to your plugins area and be sure all your plugins are up to date. If that's not the case, if once you do that you're still having this sort of an issue, this break issue, what I want you to do is just a really quick test. I want you to go to your themes area, and hopefully you have a couple of themes that you can play around with, and you don't want a bunch of themes sitting here because all these are sitting on your server, but you certainly would want one or two that you can reference, and use in an emergency situation like this just to do some quick testing. So I'm going to activate, just for a quick test, 2013. I'm going to activate that. And then I'm going to run back over to my menus really quickly, and I'm going to see if my drag and drop scenario is actually working properly now. And you see it works perfectly now. I can drag and drop, no problem. I can click Save Menu, and it's going to work perfectly. So it's definitely a theme problem. That's some really quick troubleshooting right there. Now it's a theme problem. So what that basically means is that your theme now has a conflict and needs to be updated. I'm going to go ahead and activate back the other theme that they're using. That theme needs to be updated. So what I want to suggest you do is go back to the original author, whether you purchase the theme or it's a free theme, download the most recent version, and walk through how that author tells you to update that theme. All right? Every single theme out there should have simple instructions on how to manage your updates for their theme. And once you do that, your problem should be solved. You should be back up and running and not lose any features on your website or any sort of look or feel. You should be good to go. All right. Hope that helps y'all. If y'all have any questions, be sure to tweet us. I'll put the instructions below in the description box. Look forward to seeing you guys next WordPress Wednesday. Bye, y'all.